So in Grasple, you can adapt and change all of the existing materials. So I'm now logged in as an instructor, an author, a colleague of the one who created this course, and I have access to this course. So for example, I created a copy of the course, but I do not have access to all of these underlying materials. But let's say we have this lesson, and it's a great worked example, but let's say I think these headers, they should be bold. So I want to edit it. And I click on edit. But as you can see, I actually cannot really edit anything now. And the reason is that I do not have edit rights to the underlying subjects. But what I can do is very quickly copy them. So if I now click copy, I select the repository and I say copy subject. And as you see now, a copy is created. Let's change that and let's go to this worked example here. And let's make these things bold so that they come out a little better and makes it easier to follow for students. And now I just click save. And what I can now do is actually use that new lesson and use that in this instead of the existing one. So I can just change it here and then drag it here, and then it's done. So what I can now do is just drag it here. So this was a second derivative of the day, and it was the copy one. So, and I'll delete this one, and just to show you that it works. All right. And just to show you that it works, there we have it in bold.